Jesus.
Ma'am, please, keep this money for me. Somebody is after this money. Somebody is after my life. Yes, please, just keep the money safe for me.
Okay.
Let me go to the police station and make a report, eh?
Okay, no problem.
Hey, ma, sorry, please, I don't know if you have any naira that I can use for transport money. Let me just go to the police and report. You know, this is dollar now. I cannot change it. Please, yes.
Okay,
please.
no problem, no problem. Take this.
Okay.
Just be careful.
Ma, please, just give me the second one now. This one will not be enough. Please.
Okay.
Please, the second one. Okay, thank you, ma. Make sure you keep the money for me. I will come back for it. Right. When I come, I will return your naira for you. Thank you. Right. Thank you.
Be careful.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please, did you see any girl? She's fair in complexion. She's putting on a netted gown. It has colors. I don't know.
Yes, I saw one girl, but she ran past this way.
God.
Just go up.
She stole from me a huge amount of dollars. Oh, God. Where did you say that she ran to?
Just go straight.
Straight?
Yes, go straight.
Thank you.
All right. This is so much money. But wait though, if this girl actually stole from this man, and now, wait, this girl, she don't know me, and if I run away with this money, that means I'm the owner of the money. Yes, I'm the owner of the money. I don't need to wait for her to come back with the money. That's what. Hey, shut down. My goodness.
Babe. Hey, what's up?
My
Sorry, I took a while. Wait.
Babe.
What's that?
Baby, guess what?
Is that dollar?
Baby, God have done it for us. Just take it. Baby, shut down.
Where did you get all these dollars
Baby, forget where the dollars came from. The most important thing is that trip, all the business, everything you needed money for is here, baby.
No, wait, you can't just be saying that. Baby, where did you get all these dollars from? This is almost $15,000 or $20,000. Where did you get it from?
Okay, there is this girl that just gave it to me.
A girl gave it to you?
Yeah, she ran here and said I should keep it for her. Baby, that one is not my business. The most important thing is
no, you can't just gloss over the story like that. She ran here and gave it to you to keep it for her. So
yes,
keep it for her. So why are you now saying we can go on our trip? I don't understand. She said you should keep it for her, right?
Baby, I just found out that this girl actually stole this money. Yes.
How do you know that?
She's a thief. Immediately she left, there is this young man that came here asking after her. The man even told me that the girl stole from him.
So you think we should keep the money?
That's why. So if the girl actually stole from him, that means we too, we can actually go with the money.
But wait, babe.
What?
There's a little issue.
Baby, now I'm
wait. It's like this
what?
This dollar is fake now.
Baby, stop this thing. Just stop this thing. Stop.
It's fake, babe. They are all fake. All the dollars are fake. Look at it now. They are all fake.
You can't
have a good look at it. Take a closer look. Look at it. See.
How do they used to know fake dollars?
Fake money, not a legal tender. It's right there. All of them, they all have it. Look at it. Fake dollar, fake money, not a legal tender. This is all those kind of money they use for films and all of that. And you are here getting excited and getting happy.
Hi.
This is so funny. This is so... Wait. Baby?
Yes, dear.
Where's the money I put here?
Babe, hey.
What?
Baby, this girl has scammed me.
What do you mean she has scammed you? Where's the money I put here? Where's the 40K I put here?
Baby, let That is the problem. She said I should hold this money for her, that she want to go and report the case to the police station. Then she came back again asking me I should give her naira that she can't possibly change dollar now, that she want to use it to transport herself to the police station. So I gave it to her.
You mean to tell me you gave her 40k for transportation to the police station?
She said the police station is far, that she needed the money. And you know me, I was thinking that someone that actually gave me this huge amount of dollars, she can't run away with 40,000 naira now.
So basically you are telling me that in the 5 minutes that I left you, you got scammed by a stranger and you gave the person the 40k I'm supposed to go and use to pay my mother's hospital bill right now.
Baby, I saw dollars now. What do you expect?
You saw dollars and you didn't become suspicious. You got so greedy, you got carried away and you just gave a stranger 40k for these pieces of paper.
I don't know ladies do scam these days now. I don't know.
How can you be so gullible? You know what? Take your dollar. Hold it. I want you to get out of this car and go and look for that lady and collect my money back from her.
Baby, there's no way I can find her.
You will find her. You will find her. As a matter of fact, I don't want you to return home today until you bring that 40k.
Hey.
Because you know how hard I struggle to get that money to pay my mother's hospital bill.
Let's go together.
You are who? I'm going to the hospital right now and I'll go and explain to Mama what you have done. Step down from the car and go and look for her. And don't come back until you find my money.
I don't know where I will meet her.
Come and leave this place. Look at you. You got greedy.
I don't know now. I don't know this money is fake.